All ingredients should be at room temperature. We need 4 eggs. Add all the liquid ingredients to them. This is 30 grams of lemon juice, 100 grams of water, and 30 grams of oil. I have this melted ghee oil. Mix thoroughly. Add the zest of 1 lemon. We also mix it and add dry ingredients. 80 grams of coconut flour and some sweetener. Stir thoroughly. 3 grams of baking soda and mix it again thoroughly. Grease the mold with oil. We put the dough. This dough will not rise much, so you can fill the form completely. I spread it, and we bake it in the oven, preheated to 350 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. We check the readiness with a stick. It should come out dry. Let it cool down, and we take them out of the mold. Look at these lovely muffins. It smells amazing. Simple and delicious. The texture is soft and moist. You will taste lemon and coconut and pleasant sweetness. The full recipe is available in the description box below. Subscribe and share this video. Have a nice day.